Hi, my name is Julia and today we're starting my marathon How to Get Makeup Artist at Home. In this series, we'll talk about what I'm studying and you study it in parallel with my training. All of the information from this video are from the internet, but still I can say something from myself since I've been doing it more than 1 year, including on the other people. Anyway, let's go. The base of makeup is the face, contoured face. In fact, the task is easier than it seems at the first glance. The first step is to choose the type of face that you want, and the second, design it so it can have similarities with desired type. Don't simplify, figure it out. Contouring is the key to make your features look complementary with your outfit. Contour makes deep of your face, and blush with highlight on the other side involve the volume of your face. Using the right places, tones and techniques builds your look. Our journey starts from the face shape. I know it's kind of strange after the last video about glasses, but I choose to give you some basics that will help you understand your features. We will consider types such as round, oval, rectangle, square, cuts, and diamonds. Face shapes. Your face can be a mix of different features, so I recommend to see all of the types and choose the features that you have, and it's correct indeed. Let's start from the round face. Same horizontal and vertical radio. Other features of your face rounded. Young look, curved jaw, wider cheeks. Our general goal to make it look slimmer. If you do daily makeup, I think you can use a simple technique of contouring with simple shades, not dark, such as free technique. By the way, it is the good way of contouring for all the shapes. When you draw a shadow slightly below cheeks, you can feel the lower edge of zygomatic bone in the recess that is located at the level of eyebrow. All of it you can find with your fingers, and on the lower edge of mandible. I recommend not to use your contour for the whole bone, just make something darker on the outer corners up to about 1/2 of bone. Be careful with this area because you can have beard instead of smaller chin. For the night makeup, you can use darker shades, but remember your skin tone because on the light girls, it can feel a little bit strange when you have dark aggressive contouring. That is not a problem for the dark shades of skin, but still remember about not to run to extreme. Okay? Some life hacks from the TikTok talk about the vertical line that you can add on your face to make it seem more elongated. Sometimes it works. Just remember that a good makeup is the result of experimentation and sorting risks that work on your face or not. You are not assume, I don't know how to do it. You're just working. Oval face features slightly longer than the round face. Forehead or jawline is the widest part of the face. The main goal of oval face to make it look shorter. You can add to basic free technique some accents on the arch of hairline and on the edge of the chin. On the forehead, it's better to use bronzer because product may not be shadow. In the hairline, it's difficult to wear. Here we shouldn't elongate face, so don't touch the central part of your face. Put product on your lower edge of mandible, on the outer corners up about 2/3 of bone, and directly on the edge of the chin. If you want to go out with this makeup, do contouring in front of your window. Night makeup may also be bolder than usual. You can add some points here to make your chin look more intense. Rectangle face or oblong face or square face. There's not the same, but I included in the one type. Okay, I'm sorry. Features: width of jaw, forehead, and cheek are the same. Chin is slightly curved, longer lens than wider. Here's the key to make your face feel more softer. If we talk about the rectangle, you shouldn't do elongated like on the oval, but still you should soften your angles. If you need to make your look more balanced and focused on the other features of your face, not just jaw angle, you should shift the view into the central part, darken the things you want to take away from attention. In the night, you may use your daily contour. Heart shape features: pointed chin and wide forehead. The key goal of heart shape face to balance chin and your forehead because it has different widths. The heaviest part of this type make the forehead smaller, put more product on the sides of forehead, blend it to make look natural. Other features may not be so shadowed, so do a regular contouring. Also, you can add things from square shape contour, such as contour of the central parts of the chin to make your chin smaller if you need. And the last one, diamond face shape. Features: forehead bigger than the heart shape in length, pointed chin, high cheekbone, wider spot, cheeks. We're trying to make length and width of face smaller. Daily makeup including accents on the side parts of cheeks and arch of hairline with central area of chin. Be careful not to draw a beard. Today I'm talking a lot about it. And don't make effect of dirty face. As a result, all the faces can be contoured with strict contour, but knowing your advantages can achieve a balanced look which complementary with your outfits. Features that I described in this video are a good ground for your training. Don't forget about proper section tones that you use. Don't forget that some TikTok hacks not walking on the streets, so be gentle with it. And I also repeat that a good makeup requires a lot of practice, so don't be lazy about it. Well, that is the end of this video. Have a good outfit and a stylish move. Oh my god. Subscribe to my other social media and bye. But knowing your advantages. Where's the sound? What did you say? Are you breaking up on me? Sorry, I cannot hear you. I'm kinda busy. Kinda busy. Kinda busy. Sorry, I cannot hear you, I'm kinda busy. Stop calling, I don't wanna talk anymore. No, on the dance floor. Stop calling, I don't wanna talk anymore. On the dance floor. Mr. Telephone, I'm busy. Okay.